Alright guys, real quick, this is what the rear speakers sound like. Yep, it's been a while. Been like a month since I've uploaded, but I've done 2 things to the car in a month, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Right back there, you can see it. I put a dash cam in. I know, it's pretty cool, right? Also, I got this pretty cool new shirt. I know, it's pretty cool. I mean, anyways, yeah, I got the dash cam, and I also got the halos to work. Well, not me, but my brother got the halos to work on the front, the projector headlights. So they look really good. Also, I'm holding off on the driving on the mountain video, or driving like a POV driving video with having the camera like right here or wherever. And that's one simple reason is because this car's wheel bearings and the rear wheel bearings are like really bad. I looked at them, like I shook the wheel a little bit and it sounds like the wheel's about to fall off. Like, that's how bad they are. Well, the rear right one is bad. The rear left one isn't as bad, but it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna show you all the projector headlights with the halos. Alright, so as you guys can see, the projector headlights are on and the halos look incredible. I've got a BMW I practically have a BMW already. Guys, next video, I'm gonna be buying some new door speakers. I'll buy a new head unit. Obviously the car audio and acoustics of this car won't sound good until the wheel bearings are fixed. And also I've been thinking of putting sound deadening in the doors and like on the ground maybe. I think that would make the car sound a lot better and make the bass like rumble the car. Like the acoustics would just be better in the car. But yeah, that'll be like next video, because I might buy them this weekend because it's Saturday and I might be able to get them Sunday, which is tomorrow. Yeah, if you guys want to see that, comment down below if you guys want to see me install some door speakers and a new head unit. Because this one is not bad, but it's like a really used one. Like, it lets air in and then it gets all foggy on the screen. So it's not the best. I mean, it is used. I got it for free, so there's not really much I can complain about it. Now you may be asking, why would I want to replace the door speakers? And that's because these ones are blown out. I mean, they're not bad speakers, they're Sony's, but they are 20 years old and blown out. The rear ones definitely are blown out. I was playing music earlier this morning in the car, and it sounded like poop. It sounded like someone took a knife and just stabbed the speakers. Alright guys, real quick, this is what the rear speakers sound like. Peanut butter house. You guys can use chicken. I should probably go back inside in this car. It'll sound really good. They do sound pretty good now. Like at 20 volume, they sound pretty good. Very loud, but you can't really hear them on the road because the wheel bearing is bad, and it just drowns out the subs. But when you're sitting still and there's no noise, oh my gosh, the subs in the back, they sound so good. But I really want to replace the door speakers because that would make it sound a lot better. If you guys want to see the next video of me putting the speakers in, subscribe, like the video, and I hope you guys enjoy the next video, because that'll be me hopefully buying the speakers and putting them in. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.